You're listening to Snippets from the Summit with your host, Scott McKay.
All right, gentlemen, this is your main man, Scott McKay from X&Y Communications, coming at you again with another snippet from the summit. Today's message is going to be a relatively brief one, but an all-important one. Gentlemen, over the past 2 weekends prior to me recording this to you on a Tuesday afternoon, I have done back-to-back 10-plus live weekends with guys just like you. As a matter of fact, both the guys had a great weekend, met lots of women, and were thrilled to go back home and put their results to the test in the real world back in their own neighborhoods and their own lives with real women. If you're interested in a similar experience, write me at scott@deservewhatyouwant.com and let me know, and we can talk about it. But the point being, after I do 10-plus lives with guys, I almost always have revelations, and having done 2 of them back-to-back, I have a really big one for you today. The much-rumored new normal being really screwed up and people not having social skills and even lacking self-awareness with everybody's social skills and social awareness skills having atrophied after COVID. Well, let me tell you what. I think we've come full circle. I think as of right here, right now, women in particular are ready to be social again. They know how to be social again. They are not being held back. And everybody has pretty much bounced back at this point to being out there, being social, and not acting like hermits anymore unless they really want to. So obviously this is great news for us as men, because our conversations with women, just going out there and striking up a conversation with women, they're not going to be as stilted as they were even just a couple months ago. You're not going to get blank stares from people like you did just a few months ago. I think we really are back. I think people are sick of fighting over politics. People are more optimistic than they have been in several years about the economy, about the prospects of being social, and yes, even about men and women attracting each other. We did not meet a single woman who was offended that we were talking to her. Matter of fact, just about every woman we talked to over the course of the past couple of weeks was ready not to be offended by much at all. Very open, very matter of fact. They could take jokes. Some of them were telling jokes and being funny and being darned charming in the process. And above all, out at the night spots, going to the bars and to the clubs. What we've noticed is, first of all, clubbing as you know it, at least amongst anybody, pretty much amongst everybody. The older folks have outgrown thumping, smoky discotheques, and the younger people really have never embraced it. So clubbing as we've come to know it, the stereotype thereof, as portrayed in books like The Game and any other old school representation of, clubbing, is indeed pretty much dead as we know it. People are going to these outdoor spaces at night that are kind of like parks that are lit up, where they have people on stilts and eating fire and playing cornhole, all kinds of activities that are designed to make us social in a little bit better light and without quite the loud thumping music that is, for lack of a better way to put it, designed to keep us from being social. The barmaids and the waitresses are roaming around, having conversations with people. It is a much better environment at night for going up and talking to women than ever before. In last week's snippet from the summit, you'll remember that I offered the preposterous notion that it's actually easy to open up a quote-unquote set of 4 women and talk to them rather than just approach one single woman standing there and strike up a conversation with her. Well, you know what? It's easier than it has been since 2020 to talk to just about any woman out there. Those hashtag movements designed to keep men and women apart. Gentlemen, people are wise to this. You're wise to this. Women are wise to this. More so than ever before, men and women are talking to each other, and you need to be a part of this. You need to get out there bravely and boldly and talk to women, knowing that the new normal is, well, the old normal. People are being social. Women want you to talk to them. It is not nearly as scary as you are imagining it to be. As a matter of fact, both the guys who were here over the last 2 weekends respectively were absolutely shocked and appalled at how friendly and wonderful women were, even when we basically walked up to their group and interrupted whatever they were doing. They were inviting us to join them. They were being bubbly, fun, and playful. Gentlemen, some women have more playful personalities. Some women are more quiet and shy than others. But let me tell you something. Being social is back. I'm all about it. You should be a part of it. And if you need any assistance whatsoever in getting the determination and certainly the preparedness to go out and get after it, give me a call, because I'm excited and I'm here to help you, because every man should have this opportunity to get these kind of women into your life. And there has never been any time like the present. Want to talk about this or anything else? Scott at mountaintoppodcast.com. Be good out there.
As always, visit mountaintoppodcast.com for more.